Here's a quick tip for you guys. A little safety thing that I've been doing for several years now. It was a great tip when I got it, and I love it, and it works great. We blow a lot of dust and particles and very fine ground stuff around our shops. And one thing that people don't always think of, especially if you're using a shop vac to clean it up, is that if you're just using your regular shop vac bag or filter, is not gonna get all of the really fine particulate that's out there that can be very dangerous for you. And if you're not using a good enough filter, you are literally blowing the really fine stuff right back out the exhaust of your shop vac. A tip I got way back, and it's been great. I've been doing this for years, and it will last you here. And this is the beauty of it, is use a bag and a HEPA filter. So you can see my HEPA filter. This HEPA filter is several years old, and you can see how great it looks. You know, there's a little bit of dirt on it, but it's going to last me a ton of time because I also use a regular bag filter. And my shop vac has tons of suction, so it's not an issue at all using both. But what it does do, it just makes your shop cleaner and the air safer, because you're not risking blowing the really fine, dangerous stuff back all over your shop. So I just take the regular filter, bag filter that I put in here. I put a new one in every so often. I just filled the other one. I just noticed it was kind of getting heavy, and I was like, I better check that thing, because keep in mind we're mostly getting a lot of metal dust. And then all I do is simply take my HEPA filter. It stays right on here, right in the middle, and then that way you can be sure that you're not breathing in a bunch of stuff that you don't want to breathe in. And am I putting this on backwards? Maybe. Yeah, that's why. I'm putting it on backwards. But yeah, so basically just drop your HEPA filter right in the middle of that bag filter. Get all your stuff lined up, and you're good to go. So now I have the bag catching the majority of the junk. I'll show you the one that I just used over here. Try and fill these things all the way up. It's about half full. If you do this, your HEPA filter will probably last you a lifetime, but you're also making sure that you're not blowing that really fine particle dust back through this pipe and into your shop. That HEPA filter will stop it, and I have tested mine with my air quality checker too, just to be sure, and it reads 0 particles coming through there. Just a good thing to do to help keep the safety of your shop good. And I'm going to go throw this in the trash.